sack. Why I'm spitting Fendi facts. I don't want you back. You a thought, you a gnat. Just like his bitch ass, stuff a nigga will get.
Maybe you feel me? I don't know what's going on. Hey!
Okay. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ill Will. Here again with another video. Today we have another fashion type video. You know what I'm saying? You read the title. You already know what it is. So let's just get into it. It's been too long since I've done one of these. It's been so long time since I copped some heat.
I just like this.
And these especially are some heat. Let me zoom in. There you go. Forces. You should know what these is by, well, obviously by the thumbnail and stuff like that, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, smells so good, bro. Shout out Virgil for going nuts again. These are the University Blue Off-White AF1s, the Off-White Forces, dog. These are official tissue. Oh yeah, of course, since we don't do nothing fake around these parts, big dog. Love that new shoe smell, especially these, bro. Don't these just look so yummy? Like I was talking with my bro earlier when he first brought them to me. Like these just look like a blueberry muffin or something, or like blueberry cake. Like you just want to bite into it. That's how good these joints look, bro. So you see, you got the zip tie, the infamous zip tie. That's what I like the most about Virgil shoes. Shout out Virgil. The inside, you can see Off-White logo. On the laces, it says shoelaces in blue. You got the air. Then you got all the writing on the side, the silver swoosh. The material is really dope. It feels so good, bro. It feels so good. The red tab right there. Here's the other one.
I just like the sound.
Same thing, actual ain't same thing. The air, the silver swoosh, the red. They also come with blue laces, and there's white writing. It says shoelaces and white on these. I don't know which pair I'm gonna rock. We'll see when we get there. But I'm just telling you, bro, these shoes they just look so tasty, so scrumptious, bro. Also, don't know if you can really see. Yeah, the Nike Air logo right there on the inside. But man, telling you, these are definitely, I'm telling you, these just came out. It came out about a week ago. I bought them the day that they came out, but it took some time to get here. But these joints, these go so crazy. I'm definitely trying to stock on my collection back. I'll get back into the heat thing, you know. I'm gonna try to cop at least one pair of shoes every month, or something like that. These are dope. So now I'm just about to go through, show you what I would wear with these, like 2 fits, and then a couple of, you know, flicks of them, whatever, so I can get, you know, get y'all, get a quick real look in. Oh, I almost forgot, the back is sick.
I just like the sound.
Yeah, man, the material is perfect. It feels so good on foot. It looks good on foot. Smells good. It looks like it tastes good. No, I didn't really lick it. You thought. But it's a beautiful shoe, dog. Alright, so I just went through my closet and realized that I am lacking in clothing. Not only shoes, but in the clothing, but this is the fit that I came up with. This would...
I
Hold
just
up.
like the sound.
This would indeed be one of the fits that I rock, if not the only, because it might be the only one that I have. But rocking them with some skinnies, you could pretty much rock these with almost any color jean, to be honest, depending on how swaggy you think you might be. I still don't know what color laces I'm gonna rock. I might switch them in, swap them off. Gang. But yeah, so. That's that. I hope you enjoy. Let me know what you think. I also don't know how I'm gonna tie them yet. I literally just got them, so I don't know. Let me know what you think.
I just like the sound of it. I just like the sound.